Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Otter AI with Google Meet. Let's get started. First, go ahead and start your meeting in Google Meet, and then copy the meeting link right here. Next, go to Otter.ai and log in your account. Then paste here your copied meeting link, then click Record. Let's go back to your Google meeting, and here in the bottom right you will see that someone wants to join this call, and that is your note taker. So just click on Admit so Otter AI can join your Google Meet. It will start to record, transcribe, and take screenshots of your meeting. Once you are done with your meeting, click on Stop Note Taker down here, and this pop-up will appear. So just click Yes, turn it off, and it will stop Otter AI from transcribing. Then, click your meeting notes right here, where you will see that you have a recording, a transcription, and screenshots of your meeting. And that is how you can use Otter AI with Google Meet. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.